Did you know the average savings account in the U.S. offers less than 1% interest annually? But some investments are generating over 20% year after year? That's not just a gap. It's a massive opportunity. Today, we're diving into the world of smart investing to uncover the highest return on investment strategies that can help you grow your wealth like never before. Welcome to the ultimate breakdown of what's really working right now in the world of money. What is ROI and why it matters? Before we get into the big winners, let's make sure we're speaking the same language. ROI, or return on investment, is a measure of how much money you make compared to how much you put in. It's calculated using a simple formula, net profit/cost of investment, x 100. So, if you invest $1,000 and make $1,200, your ROI is 20%. Understanding ROI is crucial because it's the clearest way to compare opportunities. Should you invest in a rental property, the stock market, a small business, or even yourself, ROI helps you make that decision objectively. Here's the key. Not all investments are created equal. While some offer steady returns over time, others come with greater risks but much higher potential rewards. And in this video, we're exploring both to help you find the smartest place to put your money. Misconceptions about high-return investments. When people think of high-return investments, many automatically jump to get-rich-quick schemes, cryptocurrency hype, or investing in volatile stocks with zero research. Let's bust some of the biggest myths about ROI. 1. High return always means high risk. Yes, risk and return often correlate, but that doesn't mean you can't find high ROI with moderate or even low risk if you know what you're doing. 2. Only the rich have access to high ROI investments. False. Many of today's best investments are more accessible than ever thanks to technology, fractional investing, and online platforms. 3. It's too late to start. Nope. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time? Today. Compound growth rewards consistency, not timing. 4. You need to be an expert. Education matters, yes, but you don't need a finance degree to make smart decisions. You just need the right guidance. So let's move past the fear and fluff and get to the good stuff. Exploring investment options, comparative breakdown. Let's break down some of the most common and not so common investment vehicles by their historical ROI, risk level, and accessibility. We'll look at 1. Stock market, average ROI, 7 to 10% annually. This includes individual stocks, ETFs, and index funds. Great for long-term growth, high liquidity, and accessibility. 2. Cryptocurrency, historical ROI, 200% plus in bull markets. Extremely volatile, potential for massive returns, and equally massive losses. Best suited for a small portion of your portfolio. 3. Real estate, average ROI, 10 to 15%. Rental income plus property appreciation equals powerful wealth building. Requires more capital and management. 4. Dividend stocks, ROI, 2 to 4% yield plus stock growth. Passive income and capital appreciation. Ideal for cash flow and long-term portfolios. 5. Mutual funds and index funds. Easy to manage, diversified, and perfect for beginners. ROI depends on market performance, 7 to 10% typical. 6. Small businesses and startups, ROI, 20 to 30% or more but risky. Highest potential ROI but requires knowledge, involvement, and capital. 7. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Real estate exposure without buying property, 7 to 12% average ROI. 8. Peer-to-peer lending, ROI, 6 to 10%. Loan money through platforms, earn interest, some risk of default. 8. High-yield savings and CDs, ROI, 1 to 4%. Safe, but returns are minimal and barely outpace inflation. 9. Investing in yourself. Courses, certification, skills. ROI is immeasurable and potentially life-changing. The highest ROI investment revealed, after looking at all the data and expert opinions. What consistently offers the highest ROI? Drumroll, starting and scaling a business or side hustle. Here's why. Small businesses can yield returns of 30%, 50%, even 100% or more. You control the inputs, the output, and the scalability. Whether it's e-commerce, content creation, digital products, or freelancing, your earning potential is only capped by your effort and creativity. Compare that to traditional investments. The S&P 500, 7 to 10%. Rental property, maybe 12 to 15%. A smart online business, unlimited potential. Real-world examples. A YouTube channel that starts as a hobby but scales to $10,000 per month. A dropshipping store with $2,000 startup cost earning 5x return. Freelancing skills like design or writing turning into six-figure businesses. That's why many financial experts now recommend combining traditional investments with personal ventures, because that's where the exponential ROI lives. But don't just take our word for it. Let's break it down. Continues with real-life case studies, expert quotes, financial charts, and risk management advice. Let's recap the key lessons. ROI is your best friend when comparing investment opportunities. The stock market, real estate, and dividend investing offer solid returns. High ROI is achievable, but requires smart planning and patience. The highest return? Often, it's found in investing in yourself and your own ventures. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. And it's not about luck. It's about leverage, consistency, and strategy. What's your favorite investment strategy? What's worked for you? And what are you excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Share this with a friend who needs a financial boost. And make sure to check out our other videos, like Best Passive Income Streams for 2025 and How to Retire Early with Smart Investing. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a chance to grow your money smarter. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial freedom.